Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will tell you how to set new page and unit AutoCAD. Firstly, open the application, then click Start Drawing. Then open a new window. Upside the screen have one file symbol. Go to the file symbol, click there, then showing AutoCAD. Select AutoCAD, then open. The new page is open. Next, I will tell you how to set unit in AutoCAD. The command of the unit is UN. UN. Write the command UN in downside. Then press enter. Then show like that one cursor is open. Then go to, if you are a mechanical engineer, put engineering. Then put precision 0.00. Then go to I will put the millimeter. Then also precision opposite side also need to set 0.00. Then press OK. Now we are setting units now ready to drawing. Then if you what you want to draw, if start drawing, go to line or rectangle or like that. If now page is ready to draw. Okay guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.